When working with highly sensitive materials, precision is a requirement. But how sure are you that your weighing equipment is accurate? The truth is, the performance of a weighing instrument will change over time and use. Weighing errors can lead to costly bad batches. And without proper performance verification, you also risk non-compliance. A properly set up performance verification plan should ensure compliance with GMP, take preventative action with a risk-based approach. Our checklist provides you with the necessary steps to build a performance verification plan that fits your business, including define testing frequency, assess the weighing risk to define a suitable routine testing and calibration schedule, define testing method, select appropriate testing methods and weights required by accepted calibration guidelines, define proper test weights, develop SOPs and train personnel to ensure qualified testing, document the process, implement traceable documentation of test procedures, test results, and weights used. For more information, download the checklist